Hello guys, I'm back again. Ay, good katugnaw. So for today, I I am I am walking. Ay, oras. It's currently 5:20 a.m. 5:25 a.m. in the morning. As you can see, it is already the light is the sky is basta na siya. Naning landag na siya. The sky is gawa uy. Nana si Bakang. As you can see here. Juan, say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog. Hmm? This is my day 3. Wait, tapos taplin ba? Day 3 of walking. Yeah. My God, may tricycle. Halikod ra ko na. Yawi, masih gagi-gagi eh. Yawa tugnaw. Ay, bentar eh. Harap mengiro mo. Dito speaker. Chupi! Dagan siya. Tumakbo siya. Diba? Hindi. Diba? Okay, tita amigo. Kamot tindog. Hey, very good. Gara-gara. Kala po motor eh. Ngayon balik na tayo dito ah. Yung mga motoran eh.